Alright, so which one should we do today? Guess operator, maybe? Make a window? I don't know. Let's find some 6Q kata we were able to do. Given the following arguments and examples, could you figure out my operator? A integer left operand somehow used by my operator, but I can't remember exactly how, sorry. Right operand. For this kata, all values will be small, no performance or no overflow issues, and has upper limit of 4 for this kata, but could go to infinity mathematically, theoretically. Example separators. As a generalized operator that can be implemented using recursion and implementation. Right, I don't think I get this one. This should equal 3. I don't really get this one. Maybe like if n is in the middle and you have to like figure it out, and it's all the same. 2, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 3, 8, you know. Maybe it's well, that's an interesting one, but let's not do it. Errors, histogram, bouncing balls, gangs. I'm familiar with this one, I think. Errors. So you got so you got this and that. Manufacturer printer print labels the boxes. The printer uses colors which, for the sake of simplicity, are named with letters from A to Z, except letters U that are for errors. The colors used by the printer are recorded in a control string. For example, a control string could be ABIM, meaning that the printer used 3 times color A, 4 times color B, 1 time H, then 1 time color A, and so on. Sometimes there are problems. Lack of colors, technical malfunction, and a control string is produced, e.g. this thing, where errors are reported with letters U, W, X, or Z. You have to write a function hist, which given a string will output the errors as a string, representing a histogram. The encountered errors. What is a histogram? Approximate representation of distributed data. Format the output string. Error letters are sorted in alphabetical order in a field of 2 characters. A white space, a number of errors for the letter in a field of 6 as many stars as the number of errors for that letter, and R. The string has a length greater or equal to 1 and contains only letters from A to Z. Examples: 2 times U, then this empty space, and then U, then ends with an R, right? In a field of a letter, our letters are sorted in alphabetical order. U, okay. In a field of 2 characters, a white space, number of error for that letter in the field of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, as many stars as the number of errors for that letter and R. The string has a length greater or equal to 1 and contains some letters from A to Z. So you had always 2 dots and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, this thing is kind of confusing, but I think we got it. So we say error list is what? U 0, W 0, X 0, Z 0. If first try or just for character in S, make a list of it, of S. We say try error list and take the character, we increment it by 1 except pass. Then we do for key value in error list dot items. I just print it out, say key is key, and key is should be the letters. Yes, we get the letters, which is prima. If if value is greater than 0, the string is empty, value is equal to 0, you say return string plus equals and this stupid thing. So first you got key, then on 1 space 2 spaces, and then we have value, and then 1 space 2 space 3 spaces 4 spaces 5 spaces, and then say number like stars equals to star times value stars variable stars, of course, and we end it up with R. In the end we just like shit. Fuck. Just return string. This should be equal to that. Alright, so what's the problem? 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. So yeah, what's the fucking difference? This test passed. Okay, let's do the good old mouse pad thing to compare. Yeah, this is what is, and this is what it should be. Oh, see what? Okay. Whoa, my leg fell asleep. So the last slash R is the problem. Where I guess we can just do, so return everything up until the last two characters. Well, last one character. Yeah. Alright, now we're gonna get some red ones, of course, because what? I thought we were gonna get errors for empty ones. So which one's the wrong one? So this, copy and paste. So this should equal that. Yeah, I know. I think I know what's going on, because I got a problem with empty spaces, because here are 1 2 3 4 empty spaces, and here are 1 2 3 4 5 empty spaces. Because I think if there are like, look, if like that, that this should be like yeah. This I guess had like total 6 thingies. So that's another thing. We got value with number and empty space is now just like value and 1 2 3 4 5, and here we just want to say number and empty space. Yeah, it's two passes. Alright, so here I know it's a the field. Python the field method tutorials point width a padded string, and oh yeah, it's in the beginning, but I wanna like do it in the end. Which can be done, or we can just say so you got value and then number of empty spaces, and we say 6 minus length when this is a string, when what is string, when value is a string. So then we say empty spaces, we say empty spaces. What are we leaving for? Empty spaces are just like this thing times number of empty spaces. It still pass, yeah. Now more tests should pass. Well, all of them pass. That's the thing. Yeah, let's admit it. Did a great job. Shit, I just knocked the lamp over. It's a matter of time when it breaks. Oh, it's a counter. So it says phase C count saves when it saves. Start for if errors and C R join. I used R to join. Wow, very intelligent way to do it, basically. I mean, clever. I don't know if it's a best practice, but yeah, thanks for watching.